Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add message to reveal in Instagram story. So you can create hidden Instagram stories here. So all you have to do is create your own story right now. This is for example, and after that you can tap on stickers and try to tap this reveal. Here, tap it. So this story will be blurred. People can see it after they message you. And what's hidden, you have to you can give a clue here. For example, my favorite, done. So this is the preview. This is how your story will look to anyone who has not messaged you to reveal it. So please feel to try this add message to reveal feature in Instagram story. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the text button below. See you in the next video.